All right, call it out. Call out the speed.
14.
You ready?
Yep. 80 miles an hour.
Oh my God. So Ken, how are we gonna do this? It's super simple. You just go into the app and you press a combination of, no, that's not how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna strap this to this. This is a 6S FPV monstrosity. It can go 60, 70 miles an hour, maybe more, we'll see. So that's what we're gonna do. Just like that. Easy peasy. First thing to do, of course, is to remove the propellers, just so they don't get in the way. And we're gonna do that with this cool thing. This is an automatic screwdriver from Secure. This thing is absolutely awesome. I didn't think it was gonna be this awesome. So I'm gonna need a teeny tiny Phillips head. Just pop that in there. It's got a USB charger on here. It lasts for a good long time. Just hold this button down and then twist. If you wanna unscrew something, you just turn it that way once, and it feels the tension and it does it for you. It's awesome. Link in the description, ladies. This is my assistant for the day, Scott. Hey Scott, thanks for driving from Milan to be here. I appreciate that. All right, now go away. All right, there's a few unknown variables that I'm curious about, and I'm sure you are as well. When I put this on board here, will the GPS be blocked? Because that's how we tell on the app how fast we're going. Will the app even read it if the propellers aren't spinning? These are questions I need to know. Yeah, that'll line up. And this definitely has enough power to lift it. This is ill-advised. It could either be very cool or destroy both drones. What do you think will happen? Oh God. Oh man. That's on there pretty good. Let's just see what happens when we power on the Mini. Got some video, so I'll start recording video there. The Mini.
Point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Ah, so we do have GPS. That's good. All right. Now, another question I want answered is, what does the Mini's gimbal do in a flip? It goes to a certain point and then just kind of, and I think, no, it's showing upside down video. I know it would shut, IMU altitude error. Okay, so I think it would shut down if the motors were spinning, which I'm not gonna do. If the they're giving a tour right now, and the pilot is saying, if you look out on your right, you will see the Parthenon, and next to the Parthenon is a really irritated Ken Heron who's trying to film a video. Let's do a test hover. Test hover only. I'm not the best line of sight pilot, but it feels heavy. So, but, yeah, the landing's gonna be the landing, not made for hard FPV type landings, but I think it's still going, so let's put the goggles on and see what happens. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. It is definitely like driving a school bus with marshmallow wheels. But, I don't know if I dare do a loop, a barrel roll, but I can do a banking turn. Scott, take a look at the controller, the other controller, and tell me what the miles per hour are saying.
24, 26, 30, 45.
Okay, so it's working. I got up to 45. Let's do a speed run.
68 miles
68? Oh my goodness. I am flying a Mini 2 in acro. So that little run gave me a bit more confidence. It's run the battery down pretty quickly though. I'm at 3.4 on the battery. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it in. Proof of concept. How fast did we go? 68. All right. Should I do a flip? A barrel roll? Oh God, okay. Oh, it was fine. I wonder what the gimbal did. What did the gimbal do? Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, I'm getting too brave. I'm getting too brave. Yeah. All right, here we go. Boy, that voltage is really coming down. Okay. I'm gonna do one more speed run before the battery's done. Head over to the controller and tell me what we get.
I got it.
Oh, you got it with you?
Yep.
Okay.
I'm filming what the gimbal says.
All right, call it out. Call out the speed.
14.
You ready?
Yep. 80 miles an hour.
Oh my God.
82.
All right, now all I have to do is land it successfully without breaking anything. Experiment successful. One more flip for fun. All right, I'm just gonna go straight down right here. Tell me when I'm close.
You're like 2 inches off of it. You're 6 inches. There you go. Perfect.
How fast?
82 miles an hour.
82 miles an hour. The fastest Mini 2 on the planet. No worse for the wear. It's a little dirty on the bottom, but I'm kind of proud of myself, to be honest with you. I didn't break anything. I didn't break anybody. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Buh.
And bye.
Did you think that this was how it was going to work out?
No, I didn't expect him to fly that good.
Me neither.
What's up, Karen?
Hey, how do I know you guys?
Squads, drones.
Hey man, how you doing? Those are cool. Well, that's interesting. That has literally never happened to me before. Nobody's ever rolled up on unicycles. Did you get the unicycles? Oh, I didn't. Okay.